So they extorting money.
Charge a lot of money, and to the border to Accra it was difficult.
Yes.
But I mean, they wanted to just show their work outside. Then anything have a price. So I mean, yeah.
Well, I don't think it went out. It's a bad, it was a good strategic move because I get to meet you.
Yeah.
I get to see the beautiful painting and the drawing that you guys were doing, which is absolutely amazing. So beyond the Côte d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast to Ghana, where do you aim to see your work? Do you have any galleries in mind where you want to see your work?
About the money, I've said that Côte d'Ivoire, this is always traveling. Because you just start by Ghana.
Started in Ghana.
Because just next door.
Next door.
What you said before.
Yes.
But now they want to just continue to Nigeria after you grow.
Okay.
But they want to just touch English speaking
countries. Yes.
Because their hearts.
Yes.
More developed.
Yes. Okay. But you touching the English, the Anglophone? Art?
No technique to say.
Okay. In translation.
Yeah, he wanted to know why you don't ask questions about the technique they are using.
The techniques. Because every institution teaches a different technique. Yes. And so that is why I asked that question. If there's a particular way that you were, trained to do that artwork or not. Yes.
In my particular is I work on wood.
You work on wood,
with chalk.
With chalk.
Yes, with chalk.
Yesterday
my painting the wood.
I did see quite a few of the wood paintings, and I also did see quite a few of the one with the is it the marbles?
Yeah, marbles.
Or beads.
Yeah, beads.
With the beads. Anvilo art. Okay. And the one with the pieces of cloth.
Yeah, cloth.
Which one? Whose art is it? Anvilo. Yes. And the one with the woman breaking out.
Yes, mine.
Is yours.
Mine, yes.
Okay.
So each one has special.
Okay, I'm beginning to understand more of it. And there was an art with it's like if the person had a mask on.
Yeah, it's traditional dance, like
yes,
like from Ashantis, the way to dance.
Yes.
It's our country. There's some people.
Yes.
Then like especially women.
Yes. Okay.
No,
his name Yakuba.
The ethnic groups.
It's called
Yakuba.
Yeah. The Yakuba ethnic group is the one that
like in Zima, Ashantis.
Yes. My namesake. How do you pronounce yours?
Yeboaa.
Yeah,
that means Yeboaa, but when
Yeboaa, yeah. You pronounce it Yeboaa, I pronounce it Yeboaa.
It's same.
It's same. It's the French that has made it
the borders
different. Yes. So I hope that one of these days I'll see you guys in North America, in Canada, in Toronto, or in Montreal. In Montreal, the French, you guys will be okay. Yes. So I wish you the very best. Okay, before we end, actually, where can people see your work, your social media handles, Instagram, Facebook? Where can people see your work?
Our work is fine to Facebook. My Facebook, my social media on Facebook, Christian Area.
Christian.
Yes, my artist name, is Christian Area.
Okay.
Also
you can
Instagram,
say,
Twitter, all things.
Yeah, you can say it in French.
Yeah, just give the message out in French.
Parle en français.
Parle
Ah,
français.
d'accord. Je vais juste. Voilà, allez-y.
Oui, dis.
Genre mon Facebook.
Yeah, ton Facebook. En fait, il disait seulement que son Facebook, son nom, en fait, Christian Ivorian. Sur Instagram, sur Facebook.
Ouais. Sur Twitter, Instagram, tout ça. Voilà. Donc peut-être après le dire après. Après on va l'envoyer tous les références sur son WhatsApp.
Ok.
Anvilo?
Ah, the website.
Il faut lui dire qu'on va tout lui envoyer
And
sur
what
WhatsApp.
name do we look for?
For the website.
www.
Anvilo Art.
Yes. So if I Google Anvilo Art, it will come right
Everywhere Anvilo Art.
everywhere. Anvilo Art.
Yes.
I think about Anvilo the musician. Yes.
So, but yes, after the two, just give me all.
On WhatsApp.
On all the information. Beautiful. Well, since it's a short interview, thank you very much for saying yes yesterday, and we made it happen. So thank you once again, Christian, Obed, and Anvilo.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Thank you.